This next award, this is the first ever in Southeastern history. We're going to have someone very special talk about this award, but for right now, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Scott Hartzell, the $100 million man. Before I begin, if this feels a bit rushed, it's not because I didn't prepare. It's because I'm genuinely concerned that if we keep Scott up past 8 o'clock, we're probably going to lose him in the middle of this toast. So I really want to hurry this up. But tonight, we really are celebrating something truly remarkable. Scott Hartzell, the first person in Southeastern history to cross the $100 million in total sales. Scott's been in the business so long, his first sales order, it wasn't typed or emailed. In fact, it wasn't even handwritten. It was carved into a stone tablet. His customers signed it in wet concrete. And accounting still wouldn't release the machine because something was wrong. But here's the truth behind all the laughs. Scott doesn't need fancy systems or perfect paperwork to sell equipment. He built his legacy the old-fashioned way, on relationships, trust, character, and a handshake. In the time that I've known Scott, I've learned that loyalty still matters, hard work still wins, and your word still means everything. Thanks again.
It's a phenomenal team that we have here, and a phenomenal thing that we do every day. You know, what a blessing. It's fun. I mean, yeah, sometimes it sucks, but you gotta eat your toad every day, so just eat your toad in the morning and move on. Actually, the person I truly report to for 40-some years, my wife, is here. And what a blessing. You work as a team together, life is a lot easier when you work as a team. And I found a wonderful woman. It really isn't a job. It is a job. You've got to do it at 110%, but it's not a job if you enjoy what you do. So every one of you guys, I really appreciate it. Every one of you ladies, thank you very much. Everybody in the background, front ground, all around, thank you so much for this. It is an honor to be able to be in Southeastern Equipment for all these years. So thank you.